So, ate na ang flower.
Hi guys, good evening. Charot.
Dapat i-introduce pa mo.
Unsa man ni Bisaya niya tong kuan?
No, I don't like Bisaya.
We're back. So we're gonna start our Bagraid now, and before anything else,
Ano? Ako na di ay?
Dili, ma-introduce mo. So, you know me guys.
Ay, ginasupport lang na ko si Leonie Med.
Yeah.
Para
Sa,
di siya
wala siya
mag-busy. So,
di
okay, so support lang kami. Because, let's start na. Let's start from your
Okay,
vlog.
let's start
Sa'yo
from
ba?
you.
Okay, this is your vlog. Kaya mag-start.
Okay, so this is my bag. Ta-da! And I have a
Buti na lang
ta-da! This is given from a friend. Hi friend, whoever you are, the tertiary still here.
Kasi mo friend.
Captured na ka, Day. Batingin ka ba?
Wala, di. No.
Ayaw, no. Okay lang niya. Ana lang mo to.
So, ang among buhaton is magpagawas kami og stuffs from our bag. So, I'm gonna be the one to start to do it. So, cell phone. Okay, you next.
Cell phone, my phone, I can't fit it in because it's so small. I can't fit the phone inside. So, masyadong maklatter. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna take off first my wallet. This is a coin purse and this is really cheap. So, it's just cards. I don't have cash.
Wow, no cash.
Yeah. And then, yeah, by the way, I have this bag. I bought it from Everwing. Evernew, I'm sorry. Evernew
No one
in
knows.
Ayala. This was on sale. So that's why I bought it. And then inside my bag, I will take off first. This is a blush on, my go-to blush on.
Wow.
You have it?
You just take off your purse and then
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
the
let me do
second
this.
one.
Second one, this is the MAC. I bought it from MAC a year already or 2 years since I was from Psych Spa.
may pa
So,
ang
it's
imong blush
hashtag.
on no nag-abot og 2 years.
Yeah.
Ako bandi ha.
I know ano yung mga inadal yun din.
Sige.
So, yeah. So, this is kuan. Parang brown lang siya. I don't like really pink. So, that's why I had that. So, shall I? Or shall you guys do it?
She next.
Sige, you next. I'll take off the next one later.
Yeah, because we're only our rule is to just get one and then
Yeah,
she got
I
two.
got two. So, you get two also.
Right.
You got
So here's my bag. It's a sling bag from Guess. I had this bag for
So,
like
diba?
2 or still with me.
Wow.
It's so handy. Through the years, I realized I just want a small bag,
Oo.
enough to fit in the important things that you need.
Minimalist na kano.
The
You know
thing
na
I
kaya
have is
eh.
my phone. It's there. We're using my phone.
Pero siya ang vlogger.
It can fit inside my bag.
Okay, no storage naman.
Okay.
So, me next, what I have here is a small bag. See
Wala.
that? It's really cute.
Small bag, yes. Yes.
See? This is my purse and coins. I have coins here.
Nagkwarto, uy.
Unicorn. Yeah, a lot of coins. So, Dora
Where
can
did
use
you get this from?
I got this from Star Magic.
Star Magic?
Yeah, this.
Blue Magic.
Hello, Star Magic. Napin ka
As
Star
long as
Magic?
it is magic. So, that's it. Blue Magic, guys.
Star Magic sa mga artista.
Yeah. Okay.
Hindi pa si Isol Kabalo.
You next.
Lord, really. Me
Your
na.
turn.
Okay, so, I got two na inibikuha. Mar isa-isa ra mo.
Yeah, so just one instead of two.
So boring naman.
Let's do it fast.
Faster.
Yeah, I have another one. So this is my go-to also touch up powder. I got this from MAC as well. The MAC Fix, the Studio MAC Fix. It's almost, diba, over. Almost
You
na.
hit the pan na.
Yeah, used na siya masyado. So basically, I use this every day because I have a combination skin. Like, I have oily in my T-zone and then I have very dry here. So I have to wear this one. This helps me a lot to like, freshen up tapos without the oil. Although I still get oiliness if it's really humid. It's just that if I apply this, it's a lot less than the other foundation. So I used to have, look, I'm so sorry, I'm so talkative. I used to
Yeah, we
wear
noticed it.
I used
You
to wear the
realize it
caution
also?
before, but I realized it's not really fit into the place to where we're at kasi masyado siyang humid, so di naman ako Korean skin, so I decided to have the matte
Actually, siya dyan ang vlogger,
matte
guys.
fix.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so
I
talkative,
agree.
so that's it. Next.
Okay. So I have the next one I have is Sunny's.
Wow.
Very cheap.
Dapat,
Only 300
kuhaan ko, if
something.
you have blush on there, you could have like blush
I
on muna
don't
tapos
have-
lipstick
No, I
later.
don't have
Oo,
blush
dapat si
on.
Mang
Oo,
labas.
true. If you have any, but if you don't have, then skip. Oh, sige, since you don't have powder, you
I
don't
I don't bring powder
Yo,
outside.
she has a
already.
perfect skin actually.
Yeah.
Di ba
Uy,
no?
dili.
She doesn't have pores.
Poreless.
Oo, shine
Pores.
shine. Okay.
No, before I used to bring pressed powder, but now I think I'm already lazy to touch up.
reapply, oo.
So I just
Oh, pina-vlogger daw.
Ayan na ang handa.
Ay, anak din na, focus. What the fudge?
What the fuck?
Yeah.
smudge naman ako. Dili man ako
Ah, you don't
nag-ipuan.
Apply it
oo.
red. Hindi siguro kahibaw,
Full
no?
jud.
So,
Smudge
she's
lang
next.
I have lip tint.
Oh, she's reapplying it right now.
Yeah.
What's the color of your lip tint?
It's orangey.
No?
And I bought this from... Where did I bought this? Somewhere in SM. And the thing with this is that it has argan oil.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's not drying and I can use it every day whenever I go to the beach, to the mountain.
To the mountain.
It's so kanang friendly kay siya.
Kinang.
And I also have a lipstick just in case nga kanang
Ang everyday go-to ni mo nga lipstick.
this one.
Dili ka mag-lip tint.
Yeah, it's Charlie.
That's from what
Charlie.
brand?
So skin potion in SM also. It has
Ang
also
grabe,
argan
bilog na
oil.
mukha ko dito sa side lang yan, guys. Actually, payat ako sa
Oo,
personal.
payat na payat siya, guys.
Payat ako sa personal. Charot.
Okay, so or na siya lip tint, and then let me just continue. So other things that I have is this. What's this, by the way?
Caution.
Caution.
Yeah, I have like that also. Where'd you
Yeah.
get it from?
It's from
Naalala
the
mo
one
ba
in
siya label?
No, I can't read it
It's
anymore.
Burado. It's Burado.
Yeah.
No brand.
Because what I do is I just place the what's this one?
Refill?
Kanang in
Ano,
ano ba?
refill?
Yes.
Liquid foundation.
Liquid foundation.
It's not foundation, it's the water based. Yeah, CC cream.
Oh.
Because I'm
Ingon sila
oily
kay-
type sa skin.
Ingat sila
So,
kayo sisi kay daghang mga vitamins, no?
sun
Corrector.
protects corrector siya.
Ah,
Then
really?
sunscreen na.
We need that.
So SPF 50 na ni siya, guys. So whenever I go to the beach, I always reapply.
You're very
Especially
blessed,
nga
don't
very
But actually,
sensitive kaya akong
reapply
skin.
powder.
So yeah, acne prone.
sa
balay.
balay.
Pero
So,
wala
I'm
mo
using
day
this.
mo dark.
Naauwi na.
That's why.
Dead man ako karon.
Okay, so
Not really that much naman.
yeah.
So
Next.
yeah, they're done with their thing, and I have my lipstick also. So you know what? It's really hard to find a perfect lipstick color that you can use everywhere, every day, everywhere. So this is really my perfect lipstick. I bought it recently sa H&M. It was on sale, but this one's not on sale. It's just that so happened na.
It's H&M.
Yeah,
No, sila
it was.
lipstick. They have
Yes, I
lipstick in
didn't
H&M.
realize that they have very good
They
makeup.
have good
Really?
I really didn't realize, and then until one time that they were on sale, and then so niadto ko dito, and then I was like trying their stuffs sa cosmetics, and then I found these, and I realized if you're just gonna look at it, the color than the other one.
Okay.
So these are the colors that I really fit in kaysa sa red tones. Kay dili jud ko ngayon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there. So I like the cream lipsticks because it always hydrates my lips. Kaysa sa katong mga lip tint. Kay I notice sa lip tint, it
Dries.
Yeah, it dries up your lips and then tendency magpatch.
Yeah, that's why you really have to choose the one with argan oil.
So oh really?
Yeah, the
I
one
didn't
that I have.
realize. That's why
It
the
doesn't,
eye.
yeah.
Kasi kato,
Dili siya
I
dry.
never have found nga kanang unsang perfect nga lip tint nga maka-hydrate. No,
Mm.
kasi always drying. So that's why it's a no-no for me for lip tints. I decided to have the old-fashioned way lipsticks. yeah, that's it for me. This is my go-to lipstick.
Okay, girl. So that your lips won't be patchy and all, you have to use Vaseline. This is
That's her
this
secret.
is
forever
really
no
true.
go-to. True.
Really?
I've used
Hello,
most
hap
of it.
na. Pila ka
This
years
is-
na expired na na.
Dili pa
Joke.
actually. Unsa na siya? I've used katong isa ka kuan,
Katong
Vaseline?
dili
katong
jelly.
petroleum jelly. Kasi yun yung original, di ba? Tapos
Oo.
ito sa States.
Petroleum jelly is not as effective as this one. This is really
Amazing.
a lifesaver.
Really?
Kung
Yeah.
butang na
How
nimo
about
sa
just
imong
lip
kuan,
balm or like
dili
Nivea?
Siguro this is
ang-
the one thing that they have content sa mga lipstick na hydrating, no?
ang lip
Let
balm
me
kay
see.
makakuan gyapon, makadry sa lips, but this one is really a good one.
Oo.
They have different variants. I have
Actually, don't need that because you have a very supple lips already. Oo, kay dry jud ko.
ako with dry.
dry man sa
I have
dakong
dry
lips?
lips. So
I'm
I
just
need
cute
to
in the
always
camera, but I'm really thin in person. Sige, disclaimer.
fat.
She's also thin in person.
Very
It's just
fat.
angle.
Round
She's
face.
also thin. Sexy. She's
Okay.
fat in person.
unit.
Oh,
Kasi na
next.
me. Okay, what else I have? Oh, I always have this
Uy, gusto ko
alcohol.
music pa ako.
Like,
Wala ko nagdala. Hugawan ko karon. Sige,
I
go.
can't live without this in my bag. So,
Yeah, that's
this
why
is
it's
very
already
important.
dirty.
Especially when there's a lot of bacteria and viruses. All you have to do is just spray them. Ano siya, guys? So, yeah.
Yeah, ano siya. Okay, it's my turn. Yeah, it's so summer. This is the only brush I have. I know it's kind of messy to bring brushes without kuan. Kasi I originally have brush for this one. I do not use the sponge on a daily basis because I feel like it's dirty. Although it's not, it's just the powder na nag-accumulate dira. So I normally use the brush, the kabuki brush. But I can't bring it because it doesn't fit here. So I have to bring the thinner one. This is for the blush here. And then if it's just, touch up, then I can use this. Not long. So yeah, this is the brush and I have this from Etude. Because I like it because it's pink. That's it.
Okay, I also have alcohol.
Alcohol. I didn't bring my alcohol. Doesn't
Alcohol
fit.
and wet wipes.
Oh, so cleany naman. I'm so
From
going.
Watson's. Unscented.
Yeah, I have another. Ikaw, you please.
Oh, yeah, me. Let's do this faster. Oh, where's my wet wipes?
We don't have wet wipes.
Hi. Okay, I have this another pouch. What's this? Oh, I have my mascara. I can't live without mascara.
Yo, ever since na siya mascara.
Yeah, I can live without my eyebrow
Wait,
done.
Kwan ba ya, di ba no? Yeah, it's okay. Basta as long as you
Yeah, and-
regularly take it off before you
Yeah,
sleep.
this is not a water
Based? Waterproof?
No, it's not.
Yeah, from
so
Fish.
yeah, it's from
Nice.
Face Shop. Face Shop.
How long do you have this one?
For like 3 months.
3 months pa lang?
Oo.
So, every kwan, kasi palit normally. Kaya ako murag, ang ginani na ako, no? Like, it's been with me for 2 years. Expired na.
Expire na.
Kaya dry na siya. So,
Oh, I
basically, I never used that.
6 months manatang expiration
Kanala na
sa
party.
mascara.
No? Nanay party that I have to buy some.
Maura guys, and then ako'y Mara. That's it. So
Oh,
I can
diba? So
leave with the
exciting.
eyebrow, but mascara is
Yeah,
for
of course.
yeah.
Since I have a combination skin, I mentioned earlier that I have a very oily T-zone every time. So I always make sure that I bring this one. This is an
Oh, we
oily
also have
T-zone.
that.
Yeah, you too.
Oh my god.
For oily skin.
Oh, wala may
Why
nakasabi.
did you copy?
This is the girl's secret. So it's so,
But I rarely use this na.
Oh, really?
Atik lang ko.
It's because bagay sa'yo yung dewy and you
Yeah.
don't have oily skin. It's a dewy skin. So
wala
it's
kang
perfect for you.
oil.
She has perfect skin, by the way.
Apo,
Just a disclaimer. So, mura siya. This is
From
my
Clean and Clear.
go-to. I don't have the wet wipes currently, but I'll normally bring the wet wipes every day
Same here.
with my bag.
Yeah, I don't know why my
So-
wet wipes is not here also.
Yeah, kani siya. Then I have my eyebrow pencil coming from Tony Moly. Yeah, but I don't have the cover anymore, so dirty na naman ako. But I still use it in my brows. Normal lang naman, sa tip lang naman ako nagbabrows. And then the rest, no. Because I have hairy brows already. Although it's not that thick, but I don't find kanang nice for girls who overdo their brows. Kay it tends na they have
Natural.
this, that people will have this impression that you have a fake brows, and every time you like wash it off, you would look different.
Yeah.
I used to use pencil for eyebrows. Now I'm already using powder.
Powder, no, mas ano siya, cheap
Mas-
siya nga, calm,
Nacho.
no? Nacho
Natural.
siya. True, kay harsh mo kayo yung pencil to
Pencil.
kayo.
As in, it
Ang
becomes
ako,
darker.
my pencil is, dili siya harsh kayo, kay you have the brush to smudge it around.
Mix it.
Okay, I
Next.
forgot. I also have this lipstick
Hala, from Happy
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 Skin.
Skin.
Skinny
I have one
dipping.
too. Nice massage. I think you can
Gamay
put
na
it on
lang
your
ay.
cheek also.
Check, lip and tint. Yeah.
Yeah. Kana, nindot na siya. I also have one before. I think, ang ako kay,
I love this one.
What's the
Their
name?
lipstick is moisturizing.
What's the name man na?
It's not drying.
I forgot the, ano sa name mo? Naman ay name.
Charlie.
Skinny dipping.
Ah,
Love
Skinny
Marie.
Ah.
Ano kayo po? Ano yung kay Heart Evangelista?
Ah, okay. I forgot mine. I had one
Kay
before.
Heart
Ay, ako na sunod.
Evangelista.
Sige, go. Next, Yoni.
Oh, I have this mirror because I have my braces. So when after eating, I really badly need to use this.
Can I try my hair?
And with toothpick, of course, I always bring it with me for the mga
Gika na sa kuano.
Toothpick?
gikan sa asat nagit
Sa
ganyan.
restaurant.
Oh my
So,
God.
I have,
You're the kind
yeah,
of
I took all of
Filipino
the,
Hala, oh my God,
Ay!
ka ba
Sa
doon?
una ka na ako'y braces.
No, in my other bag, my everyday bag, kay I always have floss. I don't do the lip.
yeah, I also
the,
have floss, but it's for
The
the,
ay lisod naman
braces.
dahil no kasi you're on a braces. We used to have braces when we already have take it off.
they have
Imo,
already
kay- you have-
graduated.
Naka
I don't use
retainer.
it outside.
You don't have retainers, no?
I have.
Wow. Sa
But I
tulog
only
lang.
use it at
At
home.
home. Yeah, I know, right?
It's very inconvenient when you go
Correct.
outside and you
Kaya
need to
ganina,
eat.
when you
You have to
eat,
take it off because it will accumulate.
lisod siya, no?
Mm.
But I'm
Yeah.
used to it. I'm used to hugaw.
It's gonna stuck in your
Layang feeling.
Actually, kay depende siya sa
Dili,
impuan.
dili mo ma-taste
Taste.
better ang
Yeah, I
food.
think it depends on the type of kind of retainers because I originally had one before and mas dako ang iyang space sa ngala-ngala. So,
Oo.
I can't taste the food. But this
Really?
time is a bit smaller, so more ma-taste na ako siya.
No?
Yeah, this is the second one because I lost the other one.
Oh, that's small.
Yeah, I lost also the other
How
one.
much did you
Yeah, I place it in the tissue. I think everyone does that.
That's what ilabay niyo.
Yeah.
how come you
nalabay
can
nga.
taste naade siya something sa
Ah, mura siyang pustiso.
I see.
Yeah, I
Like,
put it like
okay.
that. Diba? So, yeah.
Yeah, ganun
We'll have
talaga.
another session for the braces and retainers next time.
Yeah, how does it feel to have a retainer and how does it feels like
Si Leon.
to have a braces?
Si Leon eh.
Okay, who's
Hindi na
next?
kayo sa nakauras.
Ikaw na, uy, you're so dugay.
I'm sorry. I think that's it for me and I have cash. The
This
only
is for me. There's still a lot in your bag.
yeah.
better put it out.
I have like this. So this is like
Ah,
I think it's been a year.
Concealer.
Concealer, I do not use this a lot. It's just kanang patch if say for example I have hives. Kanang ganang red sometimes because I'm so sensitive. and
Mag-hives pa
clumsy.
siya. Oh.
Kapag meron mga red and then my veins coming out because I have a lot of veins coming out here. So I make sure that I have this with me all the time to touch up a bit and then put a powder on top. So yeah, this makes me perfect.
Okay, I also have my mirror. My
Ito mirror.
small mirror.
I feel like my chin is so big.
Mirror in the wall.
Come on. I also have candy.
Yay, candy.
Go, Yoni.
Okay. Oh, here's my wipes, by the way. And I got a lip balm here, so mani siya. This lip balm, by the way, is
Malunggay.
personally made, handicrafted by my cousin. She is the
Owner?
no, she is the kuan sa Nestle kanang chemist.
Oh really?
Yeah, from Nestle products. So,
Eh?
yep. So she decided to make her own product. So she, yeah, this is organic, by the
interesting.
way, very nature friendly. So, ano siya? So, gamit ka ni siya if mag-climb ka sa bukid, mag-crack akong
Mount
lips whenever it's very cold
Okay
and it's
lang,
very
meron naman
init.
ang kikis. Ay,
Ay, meron ba?
wala din.
Failed na dayon, wala di ay. So,
Yun.
kailangan dyan na lip balm kay mo to siya.
Leonie makes this this whole different person every time she start talking to the camera.
Really?
You know?
Can we speak?
I think this is your
British
I think
accent.
I think this is really your alter ego because every time you're speaking to, you know, kanang marinani nga media, no, she starts to like become different person.
How come?
Not bad, but
How come?
murag ako na siya, no? She's a new person.
Really? Are we done yet?
Yeah, tapos na ako.
You really
It's
enjoy
cute.
this.
Yeah, that's her
Me
alter
not yet.
ego, and
I
we just
have
support her because she loves doing this, and I love talking to you.
Yeah, and you better follow my YouTube channel, guys.
Yes, soon I'll create mine too.
Okay, you should follow
Pati si
Yup.
ano ba, home base buddy.
Go, what other things from your
no, I
bag?
don't.
Ay, next time mag-home
By
base.
the way, I have a
buddy.
pepper spray in my bag,
Wow.
so I carry this all
Is it effective?
always.
You tried that?
Yes, it's very effective.
No,
You know
no.
what I did?
You know what I did?
I was very curious in how effective is this. So I tried spraying somewhere, and it so happened that my fan is turned on. So when I sprayed it, it goes back to
You
me.
died.
Yeah, and it's really very itchy.
As in?
Yes, you wanna try?
No.
Okay.
Crazy. No, but die.
Yes, that's how clumsy.
You are.
And what else? So, Morete siya, may big wallet, and this is very, this really means so much to me, so I carry this every day whenever I go anywhere, so, my mom gives this to me, so money siyang sulod, tanan.
I also
and-
have grocery.
Yes, groceries and all the children. So this will be my protection all throughout the day.
Dami mo pouch. I also have like this, but I broke it.
Oh. So that's it for guys. But it's
I
better
hate
if you use this one.
No, big.
No.
Big pores. Oh, yan na. So, that's it, Pansit. So, what else do you want to say?
Oh, pinakrisakino ang boses. Paano ba magrisakino?
Yung kabalo ni artista kayo na siya, no? Kaya siya, mamshi. Di wala pang baby, diba? Mamshi na kayo. Mag-KJ ka na.
Kapuyan ako. Din ako kapuyan. Oh my God.
By the way,
Yung
guys,
tita number one,
No.
tita number two.
we are from Zamboanguenas City.
Oh.
It's the Latin city of the Philippines.
Oh.
So, how do you speak in Chabacano?
Huh?
Can you
Huh?
can we talk in Chabacano?
Like what?
Like actions, guys. Kosa kita pwede
No.
may
Sakit ha.
Kung nagaya ni mo siya doon. Ano ka mo storya? Let me mirror yourself.
Really?
Kasi, ganun siya, no?
And Sina?
Yun na guys, sa next episode, we will have a different topic. Sana naman marami kami share about sa secret ni Leonie ang kanyang pinagdadaanan.
Ang kanyang pinagdadaanan at nararanasan.
By the way, it's our rest day. That's why we were
Rest
able to
day
meet. Rest day.
So, kanang mo na to siya, guys. And if you like our video, let us know. And we will be doing more videos to come. If you want to see these two beautiful faces here in front of you right now, just let us know, comment, and subscribe mo sa iyang channel, guys. Kay,
Wala kaya ako.
actually, mag-vlogger dyan siya, guys. However, kanang...
She's just waiting for the right time.
Shy pa daw siya, guys.
Lord, gusto na kayo sila namin.
Pero bully dyan siya, guys.
Tita Princess.
Quiet type. Silent
Uy, doon tayo
type.
mag-vlog sa ano. Oh, okay na, bye-bye na.
Bye!
Bye,
Till
guys!
next time.
Asa ang kuan? Ay, di pa. Salamat sa pag-channel. Og amping mo tanan. Kamu, sir.
Okay kayo. Sige na yan, na. Okay.
Okay kayo. Bye, guys! Asa mo
Wala siya
today?
mga expert. Oh, dira. Oh, sige na.